the writing module. Now the writing module is again different for general reading candidates, for academic candidates. Okay, so we'll discuss. So now okay, my art teacher had barely left the school when I joined it, so I'm by birth bad at it, not mine. Task 1, task 2. Okay, so this is for the general training candidates. Task 1. This is letter writing. This is pictorial interpretation. This is okay, task 2 for both this essay and essay. Okay, so academic candidates need to write a report. This is known as PI, means it's personal, sorry, not personal interview, it's pictorial interpretation. So it's pictorial interpretation. What do we have to do over here? We have a line graph, bar graph, pie chart, tables, maps, diagrams, cycles, different kinds of images may be given to us. We need to write a report in a very formal tone. The instruction for the question that you have is write a report for a university lecturer describing the graph, describing the main features of the diagram and making relevant comparisons. Okay, so why do they say that you have to write it for a university lecturer? Because the tone has to be formal. Whereas for the general training candidates, writing task 1 is letter writing. Okay, you have to write a letter. Then the task 2 is same for both of them, which is essay writing. Right. So for task 1 of the writing module, you get a band score between 1 to 9 bands. For task 2 again you have 1 to 9 bands. So how do we get the band score for the writing module? Writing module band score. How do we get it? Okay, so we expect it to happen something like this, like band score for the writing task 1 plus the band score for the writing task 2 divided by 2. This is how we expect to get the writing module band score. But this is not how it happens. The actual thing is, how it happens is P1 plus T2 plus P2 divided by 3, or P1 plus twice of T2 divided by 3. So this is not a sum average, this is the weighted average. Okay, simply you can say that the weightage of the task 2 is twice the weightage as compared to the task 1, meaning that 66.6% of the weightage you can say is to the essay writing or the task 2, whereas only 33.3% of the weightage is given to the task 1. Keep this in mind. Therefore, it is suggested that you should spend 20 minutes on writing task 1, whereas you should spend 40 minutes on writing task 2. Another reason why you should spend more time on writing task 2 is because here you need to write at least 250 words, whereas for writing task 1, you are supposed to write at least 150 words. So the entire time that you have for the writing module is 60 minutes, and it is suggested that you spend 20 minutes on writing task 1 and 40 minutes on the writing task 2, because writing task 2 has twice the weightage as compared to the writing task 1.